With warm sand between your toes, ocean waves, and golden sunsets over the ocean, who doesn't love a good beach? Today we have the top 10 beaches in California, and we tried to find the best for everyone, so get your beach bag ready. Number 10. The Glass Beach at Fort Bragg. Glass Beach is best known for its colorful sea glass. It was once a dumping site, resulting in broken glass being worn down into the beautiful creations they are today. The beach is still largely covered in bits of sea glass, although much of it has been collected and picked through by people looking to take home a souvenir. Number 9. Rincon Point at Carpinteria State Beach. A whopping 500 miles south is a fantastic spot for surfing. Rincon Point. This beach is located at the tiny town of Carpinteria, a few minutes from Santa Barbara. Waves can reach up to 15 feet and are said to be consistent, creating great surf potential. If you're not a surfer, hop on a boogie board for some of the smaller waves. Number 8. East Beach in Santa Barbara. Not too far north of Rincon Beach is East Beach. This is the perfect beach for a swim, laying in the sun, and playing beach volleyball. At the right time of year, you can also spot the occasional whale in the distance, dolphins swimming near the shore, and on a good day, sea lions sunning themselves on a rock. Number 7. Parsons Landing on Catalina Island. For what is by far the most secluded beach on this list, head over to Catalina Island. This beach is accessible only by a 6.7-mile hike, a 7.7-mile hike, or 4.25 miles of kayaking only. You can reserve camping spots to spend your night listening to the waves. If you don't want to dip your toes in the Pacific here, there are many miles of hiking trails available. Nonetheless, the city of Avalon. At number 6 is Santa Monica Beach. Prepare your slow motion run. This beach is the filming site of the original Baywatch series. Being right on the edge of Santa Monica, there's so much to do here. The boardwalk offers lots of food and carnival rides, and the beach is a perfect relaxation spot with blue water, good waves, and lots of sandy beach to play on. Number 5. Point Reyes National Seashore. Up north in Marin County is the only waterfall on the beach that you can visit, and one of the 2 known beach waterfalls in California, the other being McWay Falls in Big Sur. To get to the falls, it requires a minimum of a 13-mile round-trip hike, but the experience is worth it. Don't limit yourself to the falls though. The entire park offers multiple beaches and hiking trails to explore. Number 4. Crystal Cove State Park. For a great learning experience, Crystal Cove State Park in Orange County offers lots. The beach is great for swimming and sunbathing, but the California state parks also offer guided hikes, tide pooling, and geology talks. If you don't want to commit to a timed tour, download the field guides for more information on plants and animals that can be found in the park. Number 3. Pfeiffer Beach in Monterey County. It should come as no surprise that a beach along the Big Sur coastline is one of the best. This beach is secluded from city life, although well visited. It is also surrounded by state and national parks, offering more than just a beach trip. Check out my video on the best stops in Big Sur for more. Number 2. El Matador Beach in Malibu. El Matador is probably one of the most recognizable beaches in California. Spotting photos from the beach on Instagram or swimsuit catalogs is not rare. It is best to time your visit for a low tide around sunset, allowing for beautiful views, great photography, and the opportunity to explore the rocky formations. If you enjoy watching this video and want to see more content like this, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. And at number 1, Coronado Beach in San Diego County. This beach offers a few different interesting points. It sits on its own island and the sparkling white sand stretches for miles. In one direction is the Naval Base and Cabrillo National Monument, and in the other direction is Tijuana, Mexico. Come to this beach for a day laying in the sun and dips in the ocean.